What's going on, guys? My name is Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. So today we have a sneaker unboxing video for you. I actually got the Yeezy 500 Utility Black in finally after, over what, 2 weeks? Yeezy supply, man. The shipping's been terrible over there. But I got them in. So actually I unboxed these sneakers over on my Instagram. I've been using the IGTV little app thing video that you can add videos to. So I've been unboxing sneakers over there. So if you guys want, go give me a follow. It's Roscoe, ROSZKO_72. It's right here. Yep, so go check that out if you want. So without further, let me show you these shoes. So the Utility Black 500s, man, the infamous, supposedly the pair that everybody's been waiting for as far as colorway is concerned. These are straight black. These are nice. These are dope as hell. I'm gonna try to get in there close for you guys so you can see. Yeah, these are really, really nice. Look at that. Super clean, super nice. Alright, I'm a big fan of the 500s, as you probably know from my prior videos. You can't go wrong with these shoes. These shoes are a must-have in your collection, or just, these could be just a daily sneaker. And that's what probably these will be for me, because I love this color. Again, it's not like a total black. It's just not like a total dark black. It's that graphite, charcoal, that it's just a different, unique black, man. It really is. Now, what I like too about them is, dude, you can scuff these, you can beat these to crap, and you don't need that much care. That's probably what my biggest gripe too with my last two 500s is I have OCD, and I'm like, you can see like the bottom get totally destroyed, and I'm always like, kind of just gets me upset because I'm just like, I hate dirty things. So yeah, so these are fucking sick. These are dope. So my recommendation, if you're a high school kid out there, or like just a kid that going to school and you're looking for that back to school sneaker, this would probably be my #1 pick right here for my back to school sneaker. So you better hit up mom and dad and tell them to have you cop these before the price goes up. Now the reason for that, like I said, dude, you can rock these with so much. You can, you can't, it's all black sneaker. You can rock these with anything, and like I said, you could beat these up, not worry about it. They're perfect. They're perfect for like a kid. And also, they're not that expensive. Resale is not that much. And like I said too, they're Yeezy. So there's a little hype to it. So you guys can get around with that. But this is definitely for you youngins. This is a must-have sneaker for you guys. But look at, that bottom. Oof. There's really not much to say about these. I have like 3 pairs. I'm a huge fan. I'll tell you right now. I'm a huge fan of the 500s. Let me line them up here. Boom. So they blush, super moon, and then utility black. Super, super clean. They're awesome. Maybe I'll put a Instagram pic, post that with all these. But these are, like I said, I'm a huge fan. I wore these to shit, like the black. I haven't worn these as much as I want to, these yellow ones. But I'm definitely going to be rocking them heavy too. And then these black ones are sick. This color, though, I might do a whole separate video for you guys. But this color for this shoe falls in line with the Season 6 utility boot, or the rat boot, or whatever you want to call it. They're the exact same. So here you go right here. Look at the color. They're the same color for this one to this one. Same ones. They're like the same color. And they call this one graphite, and this is utility black, which makes no sense. But yeah, I wish the 3M too. I think the 3M pops better on these out of all 3 I have, I think. To be honest, I put these ones first, my Supermoon second, and the blush last, as far as seeing the 3M is concerned. because you know that they have the 3M all around here. This is all 3M. So, and then there's 3M up here too, the outline. It's really nice. Why is it focusing on me? But yeah, so this is really nice. I like these. And then there's the boots. You can see they're kind of the same color. I'll go into more detail. I'll do this a separate video, but like, man, dude, you can't go wrong with the 500s. Such a dope sneaker. I mean, they're super comfortable. I don't know. Like, I don't know why. I don't know what people don't like them. I know I've seen someone say like the janitors, the janitor sneakers are your cafeteria lady sneakers, but I don't care, man. They keep making them. I'll keep copping them. I would like to see some more different type of colorways too. Like, they've been doing very like, you know, just straight across the board, like all black, all blush, all supermoon. It'd be cool to see them do like separate and add like 2 or 3 colors to the shoe and kind of separate it. Maybe do a different color sole, then a different color upper. It'd be pretty cool. I think that would be a nice little touch. Different laces. Come on, you put highlight laces on everything, and then you just keep the laces blah on these. You know, it is what it is. But just come on, add a little different features to it. Add a little couple different things to it. But anyways, guys. So like I said, if you don't have these are a must cop, must cop sneaker. So I'll give you guys an on foot, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Hello.